All right, guys, so welcome back.
What's going on, guys? Caleb in the back.
Subs and Paws and Zeran. Why don't you spell your channel for him?
Guys, it's XERAN_YT. To be honest, I've tried to change it to Zeran and I had like no notice. The more you change your name, the more people don't notice you. So Zeran_YT. Definitely, if you want to, I have some speaker videos on there and stuff. I try and do that stuff with my setup. So if you see my setup on this channel on Subs and Paws, definitely go check it out over there. I've done some stuff over there. But today,
this is a 2008 Chevy Uplander.
Yep.
And I'm putting another set of RCA cables
into the radio right now. So on the back of the radio, usually Pioneer, JVC, all those kind of radios, they have usually 2 or 3 outputs for RCAs, including 2 rears and a sub, or a rear and a sub. And what he's doing is he's taking out the center console piece, which usually a lot of cars just come with something that clips right out, and then you're going to unscrew the bolts on the radio, take them out, and plug those RCAs, run them right through the back of the radio, and that will allow you, as your head unit, to be the music player, pretty much, for any of the audio that you're putting in, as is a sub, as a mid-range, speakers, your doors. Just like when you install a radio, you don't actually put RCAs for your door speakers. There's actually already wires that you put together that, with like a crimp, you crimp them together and then those play.
So just that one piece comes out. I already have my radio install kit there, so that's very
simple.
It just pops out now. It's a Phillips head or it has a bolt. So I don't know which one I have here, but probably.
And he's doing us on a Pioneer radio, doubled in.
Yeah, it's a AM, FM, CD, DVD, multi-player. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the driver. All right, guys, so welcome back. So I kind of went around, skipped around everything because I started having to run wires all over the place. I got the Audio Legion I plugged in now, the ME6 6.5. You can definitely tell the difference, 100%. They're on a DS18 amp. You can show that down there. There's the DS18 amp. It's an Okur.
You mean DB?
An Okur A380.2. It's a DB drive. Oh yeah, DB drive. Okur A380.2. So the drivers are plugged in right now, and the tweakers, both running off this right now. I don't have anything tucked away. I just wanted to test it and make sure it worked. That's the amp. A380.2. And you can definitely 100% tell the difference in the car. I'm playing this because if I played a song, I'd get flagged for it. Alright guys, so we'll be back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys.